So there is this one last sad apple that no one wants to eat, and I decided to turn this apple into this. And now my kids are like jumping for me to make more. Okay, I need to buy more apples now. Let me show you how to make these light and fluffy semolina apple pancakes. We are first going to grate or mince the apple into little pieces. You don't have to peel the apple. I was lazy to grate it, and so I minced it, and it turned out great, so you can choose whatever you like. Next, I'm going to add the zest of some lime. If you have lemon, that's going to probably taste even better. Just make sure not to scrape the white part of the lime or lemon, because that's going to turn out bitter. Next, we're going to squeeze some lime juice or lemon juice just to brighten up the flavor of the pancakes. Give that a mix and set that aside. Next, in a big bowl, we are going to take 1 cup of semolina or rava, to which we are going to add half a cup of plain unsweetened yogurt. To that, we are going to add in half a cup of water along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next goes in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And next we're going to add in the apple. Apple and cinnamon makes a classic combination, guys. If you want, you can also add nutmeg or you can add some ginger. It's up to you. Mix well and let that rest for 15 minutes so the semolina absorbs most of the water. And next we're going to add in some more water to get it to the pancake batter consistency. Add water a little bit at a time. I added a total of half a cup of water. If you're new to my channel, guys, welcome. Make sure to subscribe for exciting recipes every week. Next goes in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. You can also add Eno if you like. Give that a good mix and we're ready to make pancakes. This is a cast iron pan and I'm adding some butter. You've got to make this with butter, guys. The taste is definitely much better with butter than with oil. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of the pancake mix. Cook it over medium-high heat for approximately 1 or 2 minutes per side or until they turn golden brown in color. It's that easy, guys. Your semolina pancakes are ready. This batter should give you approximately 12 to 15 pancakes, and they turn out absolutely fluffy and light, and these little crisp pieces of apple along with the taste of lime and cinnamon and vanilla. You've got to try this, guys, and your kids are going to be super happy. Yeah, and one thing I did not mention, that I did not add any sweetener to the batter because I knew that my kids are going to drench the pancakes with honey. You can also have this with syrup, and a knob of butter always makes it even better.